25 years ago. I'm a retired physician. And what is the mission? Well, this empowers disadvantaged children to become self-sustaining citizens of tomorrow. And how do we do it? We partner with existing struggling orphanages and schools and implement programs focusing mainly on education and vocational training. Very proud to say that in a span of 25 years, HOH is partnered with over 20 projects all over India, including 2 in California, and we've empowered at least 200,000 disadvantaged children. And I want to also add this, when I say disadvantaged, it covers every kind of disadvantaged child. Name it, physically crippled, mentally challenged, deaf, speech impaired, blind, tsunami victims, child prostitutes, victims of sex trafficking, every kind of a disadvantaged child. We've walked with them, we've empowered them, we've completed the circle, and today they're empowered. This year is very exciting for us, and I'll tell you why. Because this year we are launching our medical chapter, and this happened in a very serendipitous way. Okay, I met the founder of One World, One Family, and they among the million things that they do, they have the first free medical college in the world, and this is in Mudanhalli village in Bangalore, 45 minutes from the airport, in the world. Okay, I happened to meet the founder of it in September. I went and checked it out. Amazing. And the vision of this founder is, how do you address the healthcare crisis of India? Well, telemedicine, nothing has worked. Let's make the villagers into doctors, nurses and paramedics. That's what he's doing. And the curriculum of this medical college is unique. Like any medical college, they have state-of-the-art curriculum, but it is blended with spirituality, the ancient yogic scriptures, ancient wisdom. And you know what the result is? The medical college is only 2 years old, and the kids, all the kids, they took the nationalized exam, the pre-professional, we all took when I was in India. All the children have passed with distinction. And the girl who stood first in India is a village girl, a Muslim village girl who was going to be sold to a 60-year-old man. Okay? And she stood first in India, got 88%. That's the medical college that HOH is partnering with. So we've started this sponsorship program. And how are we doing sponsorship? To sponsor a medical student is about $10,000 a year, nurse is $5,000, paramedical is $3,000. We already have 1 or 2 sponsors. In addition, we are doing mentorship. This is all, it's just few months old. This is very new. We're also going to do mentorship, and we're doing telemedicine, planning to do telemedicine. But the most exciting thing that has happened is luminaries have joined this movement. Okay, we have Sanjeev Chopra, professor at Harvard, okay, and he's joining it. He's going to be our keynote speaker at September 20th event at ICC. And along with him, other luminaries. And by the way, he's also the brother of Deepak Chopra, a famous, iconic, he's an icon himself. So, so we are partnered with this company now. Okay, we've partnered with this company. This is heart failure. This company they have a device that takes your EKG and predicts your propensity for heart failure. Okay, and they have an iconic doctor in there. His name is Dr. Abhijit Ray. So their mission is to do 1 million EKGs, preventive EKGs in rural India. So they have partnered with us. So we all